At the dawn of time, across the ancient lands of Anatolia, a secret slept beneath the earth. A world carved by forgotten hands. A city built for 20,000 souls. Derinkuyu. Here, on the vast Anatolian plateau, life flourished, while something deeper, older, waited in silence. Hidden beneath volcanic rock, a narrow entrance descends into darkness, a passage only the brave would dare to follow. Step after step, carved by centuries of labor, the staircase leads into the heart of an underground world. Long corridors stretch into the unknown, echoing with the distant memories of those who once walked here. Families gather around small fires, sharing warmth, food, and stories deep beneath the surface of the earth. Ingenious shafts carried air across multiple levels, proof of an ancient engineering brilliance that still defies modern understanding. Clay jars, baskets, and grain reserves, the lifeblood of a hidden community prepared to survive for months underground. Even their animals lived below the surface, protected from the dangers above. In the meeting halls, elders gathered, guiding their people through fear, hope, and survival. Massive circular stone doors guarded each level, ready to seal the city in moments of danger. A perfect defense for a world built to endure. Firelight glowed in ancient kitchens, where meals were prepared with tools older than history itself. Deep wells reached shimmering water far below, sustaining life in the darkest of times. Day after day, life continued underground, weaving, grinding, building, surviving. A civilization thriving in the shadows. Above ground, danger approached. Invaders crossed the plateau, and the people of Derinkuyu fled into the depths to protect everything they loved. Layer upon layer, chamber upon chamber, Derinkuyu rises like a colossal labyrinth beneath Anatolia. A masterpiece of human resilience, a city forgotten until now. This is Derinkuyu, a Futureos Lab cinematic experience. The forgotten city awakens.